Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm giving you the two easiest and most delicious meal preps in 2023. So subscribe, like, and save for later. First up, creamy lemon garlic shrimp linguine. It's got 490 calories, easy to meal prep. Season your shrimp with fresh garlic, Italian herbs, chili flakes, smoked paprika, salt, lemon juice, and olive oil. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Cook it on low heat for 6 minutes till it's golden and juicy. Add some light butter, fresh parsley, and lemon juice. Mix and set the shrimp aside. Next, add low-fat milk, light cream cheese, Parmesan, more seasonings. Add pasta water, mix till it thickens before adding your cooked pasta. A handful of spinach, shrimp back in, more parsley, lemon juice, and Parmesan. Distributing into 4 equal servings, and enjoy. Tastiest high-protein garlic butter steak bites and crispy potatoes. Only 480 calories, so much flavor, and so easy to make. First, slice your steaks into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley, and add olive oil. Second, slice your uncooked potatoes, season with salt, black pepper, paprika, parsley, garlic, and olive oil. Mix well. Then oven or air fry on the settings listed on screen. Next, cook the steak bites in light butter till golden and crispy. Then add more light butter with minced garlic and fresh parsley. Give it all a good mix and sew with the crispy potatoes and spicy mayo, and you're ready to enjoy. You'll thank me later.